Here I am standing in this beautiful 1957 Chris Craft Classic. This thing won second place at Best in Show at the Keels and Wheels boat show. Let me tell you, it is an absolute beautiful piece of art. I hope you enjoyed this B-roll, and then I'm going to take y'all through a walkthrough and show you everything this boat has to offer. So we're going to start in the aft and work our way forward. I'm going to try to give y'all the best tour I can. So back here against the transom, you can see we have a nice bench seat. You can probably sit 3-4 people here comfortably. You could really squeeze in more if you needed to. These steps here are movable. He just has them in here to get on and off the boat easily. You can see nice teak floors with easy bilge access here where the camera's sitting, and then 2 more compartments on each side to get to the engines. Moving forward, you can see that these pilot and co-pilot chair are easily removable, just a couple bolts to the wall and you can take them right out. Gives you direct access to the engines underneath the floor. Come up forward and we'll take a look at the helm, and then we'll hop down and take a look at the cabin. Alright, so taking a look at the helm, here is your throttles. You have windshield wipers on port and starboard, a compass light, instrument lights, navigation lights, and your stern and anchor light. Ignition keys, obviously, and then he has all new gauges installed. So taking a look at the steering wheel, it is a beautiful wooden steering wheel with the shifters on each side. You can see these metal bars right here are the shifters. He's got more gauges down there, pressures, temps, fuel gauges. Beautiful footrest with a beautiful Chris Craft logo on it. I know I keep saying beautiful, but I just can't express to you enough how beautiful this boat is. Here's some. Oh, hey. Just taking care of a little business. Why don't I show y'all the head? Come on in. So the good news is we do have a window here. If your business is getting a little bit too righteous, you can always open it up and keep you from gassing yourself out. He also installed a fan up here, which is really nice. As you can see, it's just enough room for you to sit down comfortably and handle business when nature calls. You do have a little magazine rack there. I mean, nothing says 1950s more than a magazine rack. Check this out. I don't know if you can see my hand over there, but this is straight through to the galley. So if you really had some raunchy business going on, so if you really had some raunchy business going on, I can't even get through without laughing. So making our way to the dinette. This side you could comfortably sit 2 people. I could easily have somebody else that I don't mind cuddling up next to with. The forward side, you could probably only fit 1 person, maybe 2 small kids. It does get narrower, obviously, as the boat goes forward. So underneath this dinette, each one of these benches has it, but it is a pull-out storage drawer. And the drawer actually goes as far back as the depth of this bench seat. So that's really nice. You got plenty of ample storage. So all the way forward in the cabin, we have a nice V-berth. 2 people could easily sleep here comfortably. We do have windows on each side. You could lay here and look at the stars in this nice hatch above you. The possibilities are endless. Looking over to the starboard side of the boat, we do have a nice bench seat. You could probably sit 3-4 people here. I could lay down and turn this into a single berthing, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't wanna look stupid and you can't make me. Right above me, we do have 2 storage compartments, as well as your panel over here, and 2 more drawers underneath this bench seat for additional storage. All the storage you could ever need. I also forgot to show you the closet. Let's check out the closet. Checking out the closet is a pretty standard closet. Also has your AC compressor in it. It's got all the room to fit all the things that you might put in a closet. All right, last but certainly not least, we are checking out the galley. This is about far aft as you can go inside the cabin. And first up, we got the sink, we got overhead storage, we got some really nice vintage appliances, coffee maker and microwave. And then right down below, we do have 2 drawers and 2 cabinets. That really wraps up the galley. Not much to it. Nice, simple, clean, elegant design. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it. I had a blast, as you could probably tell. I'm gonna go back into the office, make this video, post it. You are gonna smash that subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment about what you'd like to see more of and what you'd like to see less of, because that's important too. I will see you on the next one. Subscribe. I just told you that. So I got nothing else. I got nothing else. Why are you still here? I don't know. I got nothing. I got nothing.